There's a troubled look appearing from the center of your eyes. I can feel your discontentment in the air. I know you've been analyzing, looking deep into our lives. Though you do your best to hide it, I'm aware. And it worries me so, 'cause I've seen that look before. It's like a cold wind blowing across my heart, and it's killing me. I can feel it chilling me, like a cold wind running free, blowing across my heart. From the tension in the morning to the silence every